Hey everybody, Mr. Kevin here, just gluing up some more panels. I just wanted to get a better perspective of how I go about gluing these up. Maybe it'll help somebody out if you have to do really thin pieces. These are 1/8 inch thick and it's very hard to clamp up to put a real clamp on them, so we just use tape. Tape is your friend as always, and here we go. And I did find the easiest way to put glue on these things, and it wasn't using the bottle or a brush or anything like that. You just use your damn finger. I'll show you right now. Now here we go. Dip your finger in there, get a little bit on there, and just go like this. Yeah, you gotta just finger it on there. It actually is not that bad. You just kind of pull down as you're doing it. I'm just kind of scraping it off onto the wood and smushing it around with my finger. It works pretty good. You can go over the top a little bit. And then you got to wipe it on your apron. That's a must. Okay, there we go. Right there, boom, put it together, give it the old smushy. What I found is I just take all the excess off a little bit right now, because it's just going to help us later on, because it's all going to come out anyway. So this is about an 8 or 10 inch piece. I'm going to pull that down, make it nice and tight right there, leave about 1 inch from the seam, and I'm going to pull. And as I'm pulling, I'm going to bring this thumb down, and bring it down like that. Okay, that way it's all nice and tight. Kind of push down the seam right there. Works pretty good. That's what I can do. I'll try it like this. Push the tape down really good, pull back, yeah, it doesn't pull that good, and then run your thumb down the end, tighten it up. This hand doesn't work so good. Try it again though. All right, secure the tape, leave about 1 inch from the seam, and then pull, and as you're pulling, bring your thumb down, and see how it wants to tip it up? Okay, that's a good thing. That means it's nice and snug. As you're flipping it over, you have to keep pressure, keep it from popping. Look, let go of it, it pops open. So keep that pressure on it. All right, slide it down about 1 inch away from the seam, pull, and slide your thumb down the tape. Let's try to do this way. Do the tape. Man, I can't pull with damn on the hand. And then pull and bring your thumb down. As you bring your thumb across, you're also pushing down the seam. And that's kind of a good thing. You want it as flat as possible. Here. And there you go. Then you take your trusty putty knife and scrape all the extra off. Lift this up, scrape that off really quick. Okay. Yeah, that's good enough. But you see, it works pretty good. And then we'll tap this down, make sure we have a nice flat seam. Yeah, that's pretty good. Check this side now. Because one side might be flat and the other side might be a little off. And that's okay. And there you go. There it is. The beginning of a curved raised panel. Ooh. I'm just going to leave it out there, I guess. No glue on this. Nope, it's good. All right. So there you go. This is the beginning of a curved raised panel. I'm going to let this sit until tomorrow, and then we're going to take it out and sand it with the drum sander. After we do that, we're going to make the jig for the curving, and then I'm going to curve all the raised panels in a vacuum bag, and I'll show you how all that goes tomorrow. All right, people. Have a good night, and we'll see you soon. Bye.